If you need to save a Gmail email to Google Drive, this quick tutorial will show you the easiest way to do it step by step. Whether you want to keep an important message, store a receipt, save a work email, or archive a conversation for later, this method is simple and works well for beginners. And if you want more easy tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful videos. Let's get into it. First, go to your Gmail account and make sure you are signed in to the correct Google account. This is important because the email you save and the Google Drive folder you upload to should both be connected to the same account for the smoothest experience. Once you're in Gmail, open the email you want to save. Now look to the top right corner of the email and click the printer icon. This is the print option, and it lets you turn the email into a PDF file first. Saving the email as a PDF is a great way to keep the full content, including the subject line and message body, in a format that is easy to store and access later. When the print window opens, choose the option that says Save as PDF. On most computers, this will appear as one of the destination choices in the print settings. After selecting that, you can make a few adjustments if needed, such as changing the page layout or confirming that the preview looks correct. If you want, you can also rename the PDF before saving it. This is especially useful if you're saving multiple emails and want to keep everything organized. For example, you might name it by sender, subject, or date so you can find it later without guessing. Once you've chosen the file name and are ready, click Save and then choose a location on your computer. After the email has been saved as a PDF on your device, the next step is to upload it to Google Drive. Open a new tab and go to drive.google.com. Make sure you are signed in to the Google account where you want the file stored. If you manage multiple accounts, double check this before uploading so your file ends up in the right place. Inside Google Drive, click the New button in the top left corner. This is where you can create folders, upload files, and add new items to your drive. From the menu that appears, click File Upload. Now browse your computer and choose the PDF file you just downloaded from Gmail. Once you select it, click Open. Google Drive will begin uploading the file automatically. Depending on the size of the email or your internet speed, it may take a few seconds to finish. When the upload is complete, the file will appear in your Google Drive. At that point, your Gmail email has been successfully saved to Drive and is ready to organize, share, or keep for future reference. You can move it into a folder, rename it again if you want, or even share it with someone else later, and that's it. You've just learned how to save Gmail emails to Google Drive in a simple, reliable way. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more easy Google tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.